Alright, we're getting ready to put in some concrete. Got a couple drains over here. So we'll have to go out the front door, Chuck. But yeah, I'm gonna go all the way to the stairs. And I'm gonna get out of their way and let them do what they gotta do. Anyway. This is Fernando. He's the leader of the operation on this deal. So, anyway. All right, we got concrete. Anyway, I'm gonna let them kind of do their thing. Well, they just dropped a couple of chutes on, and they're gonna, it's gonna go right on in there. Okay. This guy's good, man. He knows. All right. Back up, I don't want to get slapped by it. It don't take that long. Well, at least to get it down. Yeah, that's gonna be great.
truck over here?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
We can put it
I mean,
somewhere.
it's just gonna go away anyway.
Yeah. You can wash over here. How much? How much? How much? Lo voy a lavar. Lo voy a lavar.
You can do it inside there.
In the garden?
In the garden, yeah. It's not really a garden. One of these days I'm gonna take it away. We did. They're gonna wash the chute. Yeah. That's good. Luckily we had it up. He had that spill. It's like, oh. If he didn't have enough, then he'd be like, oh. I'm gonna back up. He's gonna watch that sheet. I should have taken that pole down, man. Yeah, so you're gonna wash out the chute. Yeah, it'll take long, you know. Yeah, I wondered about that because, like, if you break a sewer line, then, you know. That's good because now I don't have to mow there. Alright, well, let's come along. Looking pretty good. How's it going? Yeah, it's looking good. Cream's coming to the top. Got the joints laid in. Looks good. Looks great. It's a lot of work. Hey, I got another one in there too. I go get the keys and you have the other one too. Okay, well, it's a few days later, and this is kind of how it looks after everything. I sealed it. Couple things. One, they made the form go all the way here. And then when they came and got the forms out, then they left one bit of form that was right here that I had to really pry out of here. And that was one thing. And then the other thing is when they poured, they really wasn't watching the weather. And I haven't cleaned out my gutters. So I had water running over. It had been on the ground, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. And then, you know, it started raining. And you can see where this rain went right here. So that's one little thing, little imperfections. Then, I don't know if you can see it, but left a handprint. So, I guess can't have nice stuff. Otherwise, it went pretty good. They should have filled this in, but then I also told them, you know, hang tight because I'm going to do some more work here. And we got a little bit of a void here, which it's to be expected, you know. But they were sloppy in some regard. Like, they should have taped this up. So now we got concrete all around this that I'm going to have to clean up. And then they didn't put any kind of plastic over. So now I got these little bitty pieces of concrete everywhere that, you know, is not going to clean off. So, not too crazy happy with that. And the same thing with the drains. Like, check it out. They just, like, they should have cleared these with plastic or tape or something. And then, you know, so now we got little pieces of concrete. And they don't look great, but they work. These are working. They're doing their job. You know, I sealed it when I was talking to those guys and they were like, oh, you don't have to seal it. Well, that's not true. So, it's like they did a good job, but then they didn't do a good job. I don't know what to make of that. You know, what do you do? I guess it's the times we're living in. People just want to get that cash and get out. And then they made a big old mess, you know, which, like, they didn't even, like, he almost seemed like he was kind of miffed that I was asking him to clean it up. You know, I don't know, man. But I am happy that I got it done. I am happy that it's in place and I feel better about it. But I still got some work to do. It is what it is. So, here's my motto. Like, I try to do every job like they're paying me $100,000. And then, you know, if I ever start getting jobs where it's like $100,000, I'm going to treat those jobs like they're paying me $1 million. And that's just how I go about it. And it don't matter if it's, you know, if it's a $10 job or it's like I say, like a $1,000 job. I try to treat them all like they're paying me big money because I want to do it right within reason. Because you know, you gotta battle some things. It's just what it is. I mean, some things, environmental issues. I don't know. Some of the stuff that I get is like everybody else's junk. So I have to kind of fix one thing in order to fix another thing to eventually get it to a place where, yeah, it's reliable. I get the old thing, you know, like people a lot of times like, oh, I just want it to be reliable. You know, I can go out there and I get it. They want peace of mind. But the only problem with that is like you're trying to put like it's some cases 40, 50-year-old motor and you're saying I want it to be reliable. Well, how reliable is a 40 or 50-year-old motor? You know what I mean? Like it's kind of case by case, and you just got to go with what you get. You know, it's the cards you're dealt. So you just try to run your hand out, be as thoughtful and meticulous as you can. You're gonna miss stuff, but anyway, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking the videos, commenting, all that stuff, because I really do appreciate it. I hit, was it 2,500 viewers or subscribers, and if you like content, I really do appreciate that. Just documenting things, I guess. Anyway, we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.